Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here to speak on the topic Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti is the first major festival to be celebrated in India and usually take place in January. This year, the festival will be celebrated on January 14, that is today. Makar Sankranti is a major harvest festival celebrated by Hindus across India. However, different states celebrate the festival under different names, traditions and festivities. Makar Sankranti marks the end of winter as well as the beginning of a longer days on account of the sun's northward journey. This period known as Uttarayan on the account and is considered to be very auspicious. The harvest festival is both a religious as well as seasonal observance and is dedicated to Lord Surya, the sun god, and marks the sun transit into Makra, Capricorn, Rasi, Zodiac sign. This festival is majorly celebrated in Indian subcontinent and also by Indians and Hindus around the world. The festival related to Makar Sankranti have many names depending on the region it is being celebrated in. For example, by North Indian Hindus and Sikhs, it is called Magahi and is preceded by Lori. It is also called Makar Sankranti and also Pos Sankranti in Maharashtra, Goa, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Karnataka and Telangana. Sukrat in Central India, Magh Bihu by Assamese and Thai Pongal or Pongal by Tamils. Usually on this day, devotees take a dip in river like Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri that are considered to be holy. For believers, taking a dip washes away their sins. It is also considered a time of peace and prosperity. And many spiritual practices are conducted on this day. Sesame and jaggery, laddus or chikkis are distributed on this day, popularly referred to as Tilgul. The sweet signifies that people must stay together in peace and harmony despite their differences. In Gujarat, kite flying is organized as a part of Makar Sankranti festivities. It is also believed that those who die on Makar Sankranti are not according to the Hindu beliefs. If one dies on Makar Sankranti, they are not reborn but go straight to paradise. Thank you.